All right, I'm bringing in some frozen meatballs. We're gonna just place that right into our crock pot with our cranberry sauce. Beautiful. All right, now I'm coming in with my onion soup and dip mix, and we're gonna use this whole packet right on top of our meatballs, just like so. This is gonna be so delicious and so easy to put together. It's a great little appetizer for any party that you are throwing this year. Okay, just make sure to get that whole packet of onion soup mix right in there. Delicious. The next thing we're gonna add is some rosemary, and we're just gonna grab our sprigs of rosemary and kind of just throw it into our meatballs, just like so. Add that delicious rosemary flavor. I just feel like it complements cranberry just beautifully. But if you're not a big rosemary fan, that's totally fine. You can skip it. You can add a different herb, whatever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and add this whole package of rosemary because I really want to taste that rosemary flavor. Now we're almost done here. We just have one more ingredient we're gonna add, and that is our beef broth. Because that cranberry sauce is pretty thick, so we need something to thin it out. So we're just gonna pour our beef broth right around our cranberry juice. This will also help that onion mix seep down to all of our meatballs. Okay, and we're gonna add 2 cups, which is just half of this box. And that is it, you guys. Our delicious meatball appetizer is ready to start cooking. And look, that cranberry sauce fits perfectly. And we're gonna go ahead and put this on high and let it get warm. All right, it's been 2 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on warm, and let's check it out. Oh my goodness. Now, obviously we need to give this a good mix with our cranberry sauce so that we can get a nice, delicious, tasty meatball. Oh my goodness, these smell so good. That rosemary is potent. Now remember, we have that beef broth in there, so the sauce shouldn't be too thick once we get it all mixed together. And the good thing about putting the full stems of the rosemary in there is that we are just gonna toothpick those meatballs, so we won't be eating any of that rosemary. It's all for flavor. Wow, look how delicious this looks. It's really coming together so nice. Now, if you don't like cranberry sauce, you could use a grape jelly instead, but I personally love cranberries, and I love these flavors together with the onion soup mixture and that beef broth. Look at it. Doesn't that look incredible?
It looks amazing. Once you start it, it's like, whoa.
Yeah, and it only took 2 hours on the crock pot. Now, if you wanted to, you could put it on low for 4 to 5 hours, but I wanted this ready as soon as possible. Okay, these are ready. Oh my, I'm way too excited. I'm just gonna get some toothpicks and put them on the side of our crock pot, and then you can just stab a meatball. Oh, doesn't that look so delicious?
I'm kind of jealous that you get to eat that right now.
You can have some too. It's just sweet and yummy and delicious. Enjoy, you guys.